Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today we're taking a look at the Ninthseason Quick Release Direct Drive Cleaner Head Turbine Floor Tool for Dyson Cordless Vacuum Cleaners. This amazing attachment is designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient than ever. With its built-in carbon fiber brush strip, this cleaner head can tackle stubborn stains and dirt on carpets and hard floors with ease. It's compatible with a wide range of Dyson cordless vacuum cleaners, including the V15, V11, V10, V8, and V7 series, and its quick release button makes it easy to attach directly to your vacuum without the need for additional adapters. Not only does it make cleaning a breeze, but it also comes with 4 front lights and 180 flexible rotation, making it easier to clean in dark and hard-to-reach corners. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour online customer service, you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality product. So, if you want to take your cleaning game to the next level, make sure to check out the Ninthseason Quick Release Direct Drive Cleaner Head Turbine Floor Tool for Dyson Cordless Vacuums. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't miss out on this game-changing cleaning tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more awesome tech reviews.